Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch between day and night mode in Waze. So Waze allows you to switch between day and night mode to make the navigation map easier to see in different lighting conditions. Night mode can reduce the glare and make the screen more comfortable to view when driving after dark, of course, right? So to change the map appearance, you will need to open Waze and start to drive or view the navigation map. And then just tap the menu icon to open the main options, right? So once you tap on the menu icon, you will need then to select the settings right here at the third option, and now just look for the option that's controlling the map's color scheme. So guys, as you can see here on the first section, we have general, map display, voice and sound. So you only just go with map display right here, and here where you can find the dark mode, the map view, the keep mapping, north app, etc. Okay, so all the options that relates to the map display. So now you only just go with the dark mode here, and you will find on, off, only at night, and same as phone settings. So I do really advise you to go with the only at night, and that's only if you want to drive or to switch it to the night mode. If you want to switch it to the day mode, you will need to go with on, or actually it's off, right? So to explain it more, if you want to go with on, you will have the dark mode, right? It's the same as mine. If you go with off, you will go with the day or with the lightened version of the app. And if you go with only at night, you will have the dark mode only at night. And if you go with the last option, same as phone settings, so if you have the dark mode on your phone, you will have the application or the Waze app just as same as the default on your phone. So if you have dark mode on your phone, you will have it on the Waze. If not, it's the same here. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.